Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with the Walmart Ibotta Haul, guys. In today's video, I got 13 rebates and it was a money maker. And it's new rebates, guys. So I got to share it with my lovely people. All right, let's jump into this haul. But first, we must do a shout out. Yes, let's shout out Vernice. Vernice decided to sign up with Ibotta using Coupon and Crystal's referral code, and I appreciate you so very much. Hopefully, I didn't say your name wrong. If I did, let me know in the comments below so I say it right when I see you in a live, okay? All right, thanks so much for using my referral code. First rebate I decided to do was on the Betty Crocker cookie cups. These were priced $3.34 in my Walmart. I did not have a coupon, so I paid $3.34 in store. There is a $1.25 Ibotta rebate, and there is Shop Kick Kicks. All right, you're going to scan it in store, plus you're going to upload the receipt, guys, and it's going to give you back $1.06, making the final cost of $1.03. Now, there is another product that is also you can purchase in addition to this and get some bonus kicks, but they did not have that product in store, so I did not do that, guys. But keep that in mind, okay? Next rebate, guys, I decided to do was on the Goody Girl cookies. Okay, if you see my video from earlier today, I did a video where I was showing you new rebates on Ibotta, and I will link it above, guys. The Goody Girl cookies, I got the s'mores flavor. Don't that look good? These were actually priced $3.88 in my Walmart. I used that $1 printable coupon that I got from their website. I will link it in this video as well in the description box, guys. So what you do, you're going to go on the Goody Girl website. You're going to sign up to receive their newsletter, giving them your email, back to your email, and you're going to confirm the email. Then they are going to send you a second email that is going to contain your $1 coupon. Okay, printable coupon. Yes. So I paid $2.88 in my Walmart. There is a 75-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $2.13. Now, there are additional products that have rebates from the Goody Girl, okay? Different ones. Birthday cake flavored cookies that look like Oreos, but they were like vanilla Oreos. But I thought the s'mores would be interesting. That's why I decided to get the s'mores. Okay. I will let you guys know if they're tasty. I hope they are. And they're a gluten-free product. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Celestial Seasonings tea. I decided to get the honey, vanilla, and chamomile. It was priced $2.37 in my Walmart. I did have a 50-cent coupon that I used from the 314 Smart Source, dropping my cost in store to $1.87. There is a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.37 for the Celestial Seasonings chamomile tea. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Band-Aid product. Band-Aid, these are actually hurt-free non-stick pads, okay? They were priced $1.97 in my Walmart. I had a 75-cent coupon that I had printed from coupons.com at some point or another. Probably not available anymore. Mine actually expires on tomorrow. So hopefully you guys printed it. That dropped my cost in store to $1.22. There is a 75-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost 47 cents for the hurt-free Band-Aids. It's going to be great. I'm going to keep this here. Non-stick pads. Keep that here for my grandchildren and Crystal, because Crystal hurts herself from time to time. Next rebate I decided to do, guys, was on the Sargento Creamery Baby Swiss. This is sliced cheese. Yes. These were priced $2.95 in my Walmart. I did not use a coupon, so I had to pay $2.95 in store. There's a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.95 for the Sargento Creamery Baby Swiss. Next rebate, guys, was on the Jimmy Dean fully cooked sausages. These were priced $3.12 in my Walmart. I did have a 50-cent coupon from the 3/7 save insert, dropping the cost to $2.64 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only $1.62 for the fully cooked Jimmy Dean sausages. Yeah. Y'all know how I feel about getting rebates for food, okay? Next rebate, guys, was on the Fit Aid. This is a low-calorie energy drink in the energy drink sections on the other side of the sodas in my Walmart. All right. It was priced $2.48. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.48 in store. There is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 48 cents for the Fit Aid. Next rebate, guys, was for the soft soap. Yes, we got the soft soap hand soap, guys. Priced $1.98 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.98 in store. There is a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.48. Next rebate was on the Rice Krispie Treat bar, okay? I could not find this thing in my Walmart for nothing. It was up there at the registers, you know, with the candy bars. Okay. So this was priced $1.18 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.18 in store. There is a 25-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost 93 cents for the Rice Krispie Treat bar. Yeah. Oh, the next 3 rebates, guys, were not Ibotta rebates, but they're amazing deals. Okay. The first one was the Magnum ice cream bars. This is the double caramel, guys. Looks so good. It was priced $3.97 in my Walmart. I used a 75-cent coupons.com coupon that I printed, I think, sometime this week. Dropped my cost in store to $3.22. But the great thing about this is that when you purchase this, if you have this on your Fetch Reward app, it's going to give you back 1,500 points, which is amazing, okay? So when I scanned my receipt, it actually gave me back $15.61, which is the equivalent of $1.56. So after the Fetch rebate and the coupon, the final cost is $1.66 for the Magnum ice cream bars. Amazing deal. If you've tasted Magnum, you know that's a great deal because these things is good. Next rebate, guys, we must shout out Sisters Saving You Cents. I love those girls. I love their channel. They are so funny to me. Sisters Saving You Cents. I was watching their Ibotta Walmart haul, and they showed a deal for the Dove. Now, they were actually able to get a single bar in their Walmart that was actually, I think, a 3.17 ounce bar. Unfortunately, I didn't have it in my Walmart, but I decided to do the deal anyway. Okay. So the Dove, this is a 2-pack. Okay. 2 bars. This was priced $2.97 in my Walmart. Okay. So I had to scan it in store and it gave me kicks. And once I get my receipt kicks back, it's going to be the equivalent of $1.84, which is going to make the final cost for these $1.13. I'm okay with that because it's 2 bars. Okay. And I like Dove. Next rebate, guys, I decided to do was on the Can 2, guys. This is an amazing deal. This is a lotion. This is a cocoa butter enriched with oils and vitamin E body cream. Okay. Now I did in this haul, I did the body cream, but I did this the other day and I just didn't do a video, guys, but I did this one as well. So they have both of these. All right. For you to choose from, but there is not a bundle deal. All right. That would be amazing if they did a bundle deal. But anyway, let's get to the point. These were priced $5.97 in my Walmart. No, I bought a rebate. I had to pay $5.97 in store. Didn't have a coupon. Shopkick is giving you quite a bit of kicks back. It's giving you back the equivalent of $5.86 coming back, which is like a total of $14.65 in kicks back. That's scan kicks and receipt kicks, making the final cost only 11 cents for this lotion. Amazing deal. Let's do the numbers. How much did it cost, Coupon and Crystal? I'm going to tell you. The total of everything, guys. Of course, y'all know I paid with Ibotta money. Y'all already know, okay? $32.68. But this is what I started doing, okay? I got all these daggum shop kick points. I'm swimming in shop kick because they keep giving me points. They keep giving me good rebates. So I redeemed 2 $5 rebates in the store, and I make them split my transaction up. So I can use $5 on this one, $5 on this one. Yeah, I just like to do that. I feel like I can control my shop kick like that, because I know, okay, if I'm using this $5, not using this $5, I need to purchase something to get my $5 back, which is this. All right, $32.68 was my total. I got $2.75 worth of coupons coming off in the store, and I had those 2 $5 shop kit gift cards. Dropped my cost in store to $19.93 is what I had to pay. All right. Now, what I got back in rebates, I got $8.25 back from Ibotta in rebates. I hit my March level 4 bonus, which gave me $2. And I expect to get $8.76 back from Shopkick. Then $1.56 back from Fetch, which makes my final cost free and a 64-cent moneymaker. Amazing deal, guys. I think that was amazing for all my lovely product. This is the reason why you need to have a Ibotta app on your phone when you go shopping. You will take your couponing to a whole nother level, okay? Even if you're not a couponer, heck, you need to do these deals, okay? You need to use Ibotta because it's saving you money. Look, if you was going to the store to buy some lotion, here, I just told you how to get some 11-cent lotion. Like, stop playing. All right? Lovely people, I hope this video was helpful for you. Shout out to all my new coupon crew members. I see you, and I appreciate you. I appreciate every one of you guys that take the time to watch my videos, that like and comment on my videos. You guys are amazing. I thank you so very much. You don't have to do it. You could be watching somebody else, but you don't mind coming on here watching videos that you don't even have stores for. Y'all is some riders. Y'all is the best coupon crew ever. That's it, lovely people. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Now, y'all go check out Sister Saving You Cents, guys. Go show my coupon friends some love if you haven't already, okay? Bye-bye.